To download and install the Strava app on your device, start by opening the App Store, which may be labeled differently depending on your device. Once you're in the App Store, locate the search button, typically found in the bottom row alongside options like Today, Games, Apps, and Arcade. Click on the search button, then type Strava into the search bar. The first option should be the Strava app, labeled as Strava, Run, Bike, and Hike. Select this option, and you'll see a button that says Get. Click on this to initiate the download process. You may be prompted to verify yourself before the download can begin. Once the app has finished downloading, you can exit the App Store and locate the Strava app on your device, which should be installing. When the installation is complete, the app icon will appear, featuring an orange background with the Strava logo. To launch the app, simply click on the icon, and you'll be given the option to either log in if you have an existing account or join for free. From here, you can explore the app's features and begin using it. To understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more, Softpro Dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.